Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure FaceTime is active. Sign in with your Apple ID and turn on FaceTime in Settings. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi or cellular so video quality stays stable. Now open the FaceTime app, tap the plus button, and type a contact name, email, or phone number. Choose video to start a camera call or audio to save bandwidth. Make sure the person you call also uses FaceTime, otherwise the call won't connect. Once the call connects, tap the screen to reveal the in-call controls. You'll see mute, flip camera, speaker, and add person. If you want to personalize the call, tap effects to use memoji, filters, or stickers. These run locally to preserve privacy. You can also use picture-in-picture to keep the call visible while using another app. To invite more people, use Add Person or create a FaceTime link to share. FaceTime will automatically manage speaker layout during a group call. When you're done, tap the red end button to hang up. If live photos are enabled, you can save a quick snapshot during the call. To record the session, use the Control Center screen recording feature. Stop the recording when finished and remember to respect privacy. If video or audio quality is poor or the camera doesn't work, check camera and microphone permissions in Settings, restart your device, install any iOS updates, and sign out then back into FaceTime. That often fixes connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.